Hello viewer, in this video all about Instagram unsend option not showing problem solved. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Click on Instagram profile from the lower right corner. Now click on 3 line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out Instagram help. Go to help option. Now click on report a problem. Now tap on report problem. Now click on include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happens or what's not working for you. So write down, hi Instagram support team, in my Instagram message section, unsend option not showing. Please solve this problem as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now follow the second step. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Now scroll down and go to Instagram storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from the Instagram app. Now follow the third step. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search Instagram app. From here, please update your Instagram app and use Instagram latest version. So please follow this step to fix Instagram unsend option not showing problem.